Good morning, my dear students of Primary 4. I miss you all so much, and I wish you all are in a good health. We will start our revision videos for the lessons that we took in Primary 3. So we will be more familiar with the lessons or the subjects that we will take in Primary 4, inshallah. Okay, let's start our first lesson. It's thousands and 10,000s. Okay. Do you remember that this number 569 is a three-digit number, right? 1, 2, 3. And their place values are units, tens, and hundreds. 9 in the units place, 6 in the tens place, and 5 in the hundred place. And the smallest three-digit number was 100. And the greatest three-digit number were 3 nines or 999. Okay, if I want now to add 1 to 999, let's make it together. We will start with the units. 9 plus 1 equal 10. We will write 0 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 9 equal 10. We will write 0 and carry up 1. And 1 plus 9 equal 10, and we will write 10 because we don't have a place to carry up the one above it. Okay, so we got what? We got a four-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a four-digit number. Okay, this four-digit number is read as 1,000. 1,000. And 1,000 is the smallest four-digit number. Do you remember the smallest three-digit number? It was 100. So here we have four digits and it's called 1,000. Okay, where should I put this fourth digit or this new digit? I will open a new home for it and I will call this home 1,000. Okay, I will call it 1,000. So I have units, tens, hundreds, and the new one is 1,000. Okay, let's take an example. Now I have here a number, it's a four-digit number, and this digit 4 is in the thousand place. So the place value of 4 is 1,000. Okay, what about the value? Who can remind me what the meaning of the value? The value means how many zeros I will put besides the digit. And now in units I have no zeros. In tens I will put only one zero. In hundreds I will put two zeros. In thousands I will put three zeros. So the value of 4 here will be 4,000. How can I read this number? I will start with the biggest one, which is the thousand place. So I will say 4,590. 4,590. What about the greatest four-digit number? The greatest four-digit number will be 4 nines because we have four digits, so they are all will be 9, and we will read this number as 9,999. If I want to add 1 to that number, it will be 1 plus 9 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 0 and carry up 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 0 and carry up 1, and 1 plus 9, 10. We got what? We got a five-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where should I put the fifth digit? I will open a new home for it, and I will call this home 10,000. And this home or this room is the place value, okay? So I will open a new room or a new home, and it will be 10,000. I will put the fifth digit in it. What about this number? What's the name of this number? It's read as 10,000, and it's the smallest five-digit number. Now I have two new rooms, 1,000 and 10,000. I will call them together the family of thousands or the thousands family. Okay? So these two new rooms, 1,000 and 10,000, I will call them the family of thousands. Let's take an example. And this is the new digit or the fifth digit. What's the place value of these two? Is 10,000. The place value is 10,000. And what about the value? I will put 2 and put 4 zeros. I will put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the value of 2 is 20,000. How can I read this number? I will start from the right, count 3 digits or the first 3 digits, put a comma, and the rest of the number I will make it as a package because it's the thousand family or family of thousands. I will read it first. It will be 24,000, then 590. Okay? Again, I will start from the right. I will count the first 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, put a comma. The rest of the number is a package. Okay? Because it's in the thousand family. So I will read it as a package. It's a 24, but don't forget to say thousand. 24,590. Let's take some exercise from your booklet. Open page 2. The first exercise, read and write in letters. I have a number in digits and I want to write it in letters or in words. Okay, so first I will see how many digits I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the places or the place value of these digits? Here, units, tens, hundreds, and thousand. So I will say 5,463. Okay. 5,463. I have 4 digits and I will put the places units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And I will start with the thousand, so I will say 9,045. What about the hundred? I can say 0, 100? No, I can't say that. So I will say 9,045. 9,045. The next number is a 5-digit number, so I have units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So I will put a comma after the first 3 number, and the rest of the number is a package, and because it's in the thousand family or family of thousands. So I will say 72,531. 72,531. Okay. The next exercise is how to write the number in digits. We will do the opposite here. I have a number written in words or in letters and I want to convert it back into digits. In solving this type of exercises, I will make my place values. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. And I will read first what I see first. 3,000. 3,000. So here in the thousand place I will put 3. 5 hundreds, so I will put 5 in the hundred place. And 11, so I will put 11 in tens and units place. Okay, so we got what? 3,511. 3,511. Next one, 9,642. So we got 9,642. Let's move to the next one. I have 67,000. This is the family of thousands. So I will move to the family of thousands. These two place values together. It's 67. Okay. And 51. What about the 100? He didn't say anything about hundreds here. So I will put 51 in their places. In their places like this. 51. What about the 100? Can I leave it empty like this? No, because math hates empty places. So I will put 0 in the empty place. So we got 67,051 like this. Don't forget to put that 0 in the places that he didn't mention it. Okay. Let's move to page 3. He wants me to write the value and the place value of the underlined digits. on the underlined digit. Okay, let's move to the first exercise. We have 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 2 in the thousand place. And what the place value of the thousand? We will put the digit and 3 zeros. We will put the digits and all the digits in front of this digit will be zeros. So we'll 2 and 3 zeros. Okay, next one, Here 2 in which place? Units, tens, hundreds. So the place value is hundreds. And what is the value of 2 here? I will put 2 and the digits in front of this digit will be zeros. So it will be 200, or as I know that 100 has 2 zeros. Okay. The rest is homework for you. Now, number 4, this form, do you remember what's the meaning of this form? It's the expanded form. Expanded form. What the meaning of expanded form? Expanded form means that I will put the value of each digit. I will put the value of each digit. Okay, the first number here we have 2764. It's a 4-digit number. Put the places, units, tens, hundreds, and ten and thousands. What's the value of 2 here in the thousand place? So I will put 2000. The next one in the hundred place. So I will put 700. The value of 7 here is 700. 6 in the tenth place. So the value of 6 here is 60. And 4 in the units place. So we will put no zeros. It will be just 4. This is the expanded form. I will write the value of each digit. Next one, I have 5-digit number. So I will have units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. This is the new room. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. I will start with the biggest one, which is 6 in the 10,000 place. So it will be 60,000. 6 and 4 zeros. Next one, 3 and 3 zeros. 4 in the 100 place, it will be 2 zeros. 7 in the 10th place, only 1 zero and 1 without any zeros. This is the expanded form. The next exercise, I will convert it back to a standard or a compact form. I have an expanded form and I will convert it back to a standard or compact form. Here I will draw again my table of place value. Here I have what? I have 90,000. In which place here? In the 10,000 place. Next one, I have what? I have 5 and 3 zeros. 3 zeros in which place? In the 1,000 place. So I will put 5 in the 1,000 place. Now 2 with 2 zeros, it's in the 100 place. 10 with 1 zero, so it will be in the 10th place. And 3 with no zeros, so it will be in the units place. So what's the number that we got? 95,213. And I will leave the next one as a homework for you. Next page is about the greatest and the smallest number. First one, what is the greatest number formed from 5 digits? It's 5 nines or 99,999. What about the smallest? It's 10,000. Excellent. What is the greatest number formed from different digits? Different digits. Each digit has to be different from the other. We can't put 5 nines because they are all the same. We have to put a different one. So I will start with 9 because it's the biggest. And then convert each one to the next digit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So it will be 98,765. What about the smallest number formed from also different digits? Someone will tell me, Miss, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll tell you that this is wrong. Why? Because 0 in the left has no value. If we want to read this number, it will be 1,234, and it's only a 4-digit number, and he wants 5-digit number. So what will we do? We will take this 0 and put it between the first two digits. It will be like this. 10,234. 10,234. Next exercise, arrange the following numbers in ascending order, then descending order. And we all know that ascending order meaning from the smallest to the greatest. We will take a new way that will be more easier for us in ordering numbers. What is this way? We will make a draft like this, and we will write these numbers like this. First number, second number, third number, and fourth number. But we have to make sure that each digit in its right place. Units after units, tens and after tens, hundreds after hundreds, thousand and 10,000, and so on. So after we put them like this in their order, I will look at these numbers. They are all 5-digit number. They are all 5-digit number. I will look to the biggest digit, the biggest value in each number, which is 5, 3, 8, and 9. And I will compare between them. What is the smallest one here? It's 3. So 3 will be the first number. And I will cross it so we will not be confused about the others. Okay, after that I have 5, 8, and 9. What is the smallest? 5. So I will write it the next one. After that I have 8 and 9, and 8 is smaller, so I will write it. And the last one will be 99,999. The descending order, we will start with the biggest one, and I will leave it for you. Next exercise in page 5. Form the smallest and the greatest number from the given digits. He gave me some digits, and I want to make the smallest number and the greatest number. All I will do is that I will arrange these numbers in ascending order to make the smallest number like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But I will not put commas, okay? Because I want it at the whole number. So I will get what? 13,579. What about the greatest? I will arrange them in descending order. So they will be like this. 97531 or 97,531. And don't forget, we will not put the commas because I want a whole number. Next one, I have 28604. So I will arrange them in ascending order. Someone will tell me they will be like this. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and I will say that's wrong. Why? Because 0 in the left or in this place has no value, so it will be only 4 digits, and I want a 5-digit number, so I will put this 0 where between 2 and 4, so they will be 20468, and I will read it as 20,468. The greatest number, I will arrange this number again in a descending order. They will be 8, 6, 4, 2 zeros. The next two exercises is for you as a homework. Let's move to the addition of numbers. We will start from the units. Excellent. Don't start from the greatest value. No, we start from the units. We have to start from the units. 6 plus 6 equal 12. Excellent. We will write 12 in the same place. No, we can't, because each place has only to have one digit. So I will write 2 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 7 equal 8. And 8 plus 2 equal 10. So I will write again 0 and carry up 1. Don't forget to add that 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4, and 4 plus 8 equal 12 again. So I will write 2 and carry up another 1. 1 plus 4, 5, and 5 plus 4 equal 9. Let's move to the next exercise. I have here to start also from the units. 9 plus 7 equals 16. We will write 6 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 plus 8, 12. 2 also and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 5 equals 6 and 6 plus 8 equal 14. We will write 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4 and 4 plus 4 equal 8. Don't forget to add the one that I put it above. Next exercise, 5 plus 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6, 7 and 7 plus 7, 14, 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 8, 12, 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4, 5 and 5 plus 9 is 14, and I will write it because I don't have any place to carry up the 1 above it again. So I got 14,240. I will leave this exercise also for you to solve by yourself. I can see the addition but in a horizontal way like this. How can I make it? I will also start from the units and I will say 2 plus 1, the units and units. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Now the tens place. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal 13. I will write 3 and carry up 1 above the next place. Now 1 plus 7 equal 8 and 8 plus 3 equal 11. Excellent. I will write 1 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 3 equal 4 and 4 plus 6 equal 10. I will write 0 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 2 equal 5. We can make it also in a vertical way like this. I will write the numbers, but make sure that you write every digit in its right place. Units after units, tens after tens, and so on. And we will also start from the units. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 plus 4, 13, 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 and carry up 1. And 1 plus 2 equal 5. Okay, let's move to the next page. It's about subtraction. I will follow the same steps in addition. I will also start from the units. And I will say 6 minus 3 equal 3. 7 minus 2 equal 5, sorry. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 9 minus 2 equals 7 too. And 1, I will bring it down because it has no values here. No digits here. So I will put 1. I will bring it down. Next one, I will start also from the units. And I will say 3 minus 9. Not 9 minus 3. Not the greatest minus the smallest. No, the up must be minus the one down. Okay? 3 minus 9. Not 9 minus 3. 3 minus 9. Can I make 3 minus 9? No, I can't make it. Why? Because 3 is smaller than 9. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to borrow from the next digit here. I'm going to borrow 1 from 8, so it will be 7. And the one I borrow, I will put it beside 3. It will be 13. Now can I make 13 minus 9? Yes, I can. 13 minus 9 equal 4. Okay. Now 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8. Can I make 7 minus 8? No, because 7 is smaller than 8. So I'm going to borrow again from 5. So it will be 4. And the one I borrow, I will put it here beside 7. It will be 17. Now 17 minus 8 equal 9. 4 minus 7. Can I make 4 minus 7? No, I will borrow again. So this 6 will be 5, and the one I borrowed, I will put it here, will be 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Now 5 minus 2 equal 3. I don't have to borrow here because 5 is greater than 2. Now 9 minus 1 equal 8. So I got 83,724. Next exercise, I will also start from the units. 3 minus 7, not 7 minus 3. Take care. 3 minus 7. Can I make 3 minus 7? No, because 3 is smaller than 7. I'm going to borrow from 8. This 8 will be 7 and this will be 13. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Now 7 minus 9 can't be, so I'm going to borrow. 9 will be 8 and 7 will be 17. 17 minus 9 equal 8. Now 8 minus 8, any number minus itself, give me 0. 7 minus 2 equal 5. I don't have to borrow here. And 9 minus 4 equal 5. Don't forget to cross the numbers that I borrowed from and write the number directly. Okay, let's move to the next page. It's also about subtraction, but in a horizontal way. I'm going to follow the same steps as in addition. I start from the units. 3 minus 7 equal, it can't be. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to borrow from 8. It will be, I will cross it and write the new number directly. It will be 7 and the 3 will be 13. Now 13 minus 7 equal 6. Now 7 minus 2 equal 5. I don't have to borrow here. 9 minus 7 equal 2 and 7 minus 2 equal 5. I also can make it in vertical way, starting from the units 2, and I will do the same steps. That was our revision for today. I want you to solve all the exercises that we left in the pages that we revised together from page 2 to page 7. If we left any exercise, make it by yourself. And it was my pleasure to meet you in this revision. We will meet in another revision videos. Until this time, I will miss you so much. Thank you, goodbye, and good luck.